Comfort is one of the most important aspects of any home, and your windows play a bigger role in that than you might think. If your current windows are outdated, damaged, or poorly sealed, they can negatively impact temperature, airflow, and overall indoor conditions. For homeowners in Mandeville, where heat and humidity are common, proper window replacement can make a significant difference in creating a more comfortable and enjoyable living space. One of the most immediate improvements you'll notice after replacing your windows is better temperature control. Older windows often allow air to leak in and out, making it difficult to maintain a consistent indoor climate. This can lead to hot spots in some rooms and cooler areas in others. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced sealing and insulation features that help keep outdoor air from affecting your indoor environment. As a result, your home stays cooler during warm days and more comfortable overall. Energy efficiency is closely tied to comfort. When your windows are properly sealed and insulated, your heating and cooling system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain the desired temperature. In Mandeville's warm climate, this means your air conditioning system can operate more efficiently without running constantly. This not only improves comfort but can also lead to lower energy bills over time. Another key benefit of proper window replacement is improved humidity control. Excess moisture in the air can make your home feel sticky and uncomfortable. Older windows with poor seals can allow humid air to enter, making it harder to maintain a balanced indoor environment. New windows create a tighter barrier that helps keep humidity levels in check, contributing to a fresher and more comfortable atmosphere. Ventilation also plays an important role in indoor comfort. Many modern window styles are designed to improve airflow, allowing you to bring in fresh air when conditions are right. Whether you choose double-hung, casement, or sliding windows, having the ability to control ventilation helps reduce indoor stuffiness and improves air quality. This is especially beneficial in Mandeville homes, where airflow can help offset heat and humidity. Noise reduction is another advantage that comes with proper window replacement. If your current windows allow outside noise to easily enter your home, it can disrupt your comfort and peace of mind. New windows with multiple panes and improved sealing help block unwanted sound, creating a quieter and more relaxing indoor environment. This can make a noticeable difference in your day-to-day life. Drafts are a common issue with older windows, and they can significantly impact comfort. Even small gaps can allow air to pass through, making certain areas of your home feel uncomfortable. Properly installed replacement windows eliminate these drafts by creating a tight, secure seal. This helps maintain a consistent temperature throughout your home and prevents sudden changes in airflow. Another benefit is the improvement in natural light. Modern windows are designed to allow more sunlight to enter your home while still maintaining energy efficiency. Increased natural light can make rooms feel brighter, more open, and more inviting. This enhances the overall atmosphere of your home and contributes to a more pleasant living environment. Durability is also an important factor. High-quality replacement windows are built to withstand changing weather conditions, including heat, humidity, and storms. This ensures long-term performance and reduces the need for frequent repairs. For homeowners in Mandeville, this reliability adds to both comfort and peace of mind. Proper installation is essential to achieving all of these benefits. Even the best windows won't perform effectively if they are not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures a precise fit, proper sealing, and optimal functionality. This attention to detail helps prevent future issues and ensures your windows deliver consistent comfort. In the end, proper window replacement is one of the most effective ways to improve indoor comfort in Mandeville homes. By enhancing temperature control, reducing humidity, improving airflow, and minimizing noise, new windows create a more enjoyable living environment. It's an investment that not only upgrades your home's performance but also makes everyday living more comfortable and satisfying.